Information is like oxygen for business. If you don't have access to the information you need or isn't trustworthy, then your business won't grow. There's a lot of information around us all the time, but it usually comes from someone trying to promote their own point of view. Very often the information comes in a form we can't use. We can't shape it to the way we need. That was what the data environment in Cambodia was like before Open Development Cambodia launched in 2011. ODC was the very first independent open data website in Southeast Asia. For the first time, data from a wide range of sources that was previously difficult to access was made available in an objective, politically neutral way on a secure online platform. Best of all, a lot of the data is interactive. Look at the digital maps, for example. You can switch different layers on and off to get exactly the data you need. You can uncover opportunities and also spot potential risks for your business. It is no surprise that ODC data has been cited in many business plans. We have seen our data appear on the websites of many different companies and organizations. Of course, this isn't just an English language resource. ODC's data is available in the Khmer language. ODC has also invested a lot of time in outreach activities, showing people how to access and use the data. And we do encourage people to use it. While ODC owns the copyright of the content, it gives site visitors an automatic license to use the data within the terms of use. The site uses a Creative Commons Share-alike attribution license. You can share, create, or adapt the data. You don't have to pay for it, but you should acknowledge ODC as the source. And just what is the data? Well, for a start, there is a lot of data about businesses already in operation, the land concessions and mining licensees, for example. There are data sets about the special economic zones in Cambodia. There is a wealth of census data and information about public services, including data sets and interactive maps. There is a lot of data around logistics, roads, airports, and other services crucial for getting products to markets inside Cambodia and overseas. The site makes many different laws and subdecrees easy to find in both English and Khmer versions. There are also hundreds of pages of background information about Cambodia. This is where you can find some of the information that investors, especially those overseas, want to know, from economic and commercial matters to labor and land laws to infrastructure and disaster management. In developing the data, ODC has worked closely with government agencies, with universities both in Cambodia and overseas, with businesses, and with other NGOs. The focus is on producing accessible, independent information that will help you make informed decisions. The ODC site has grown to average more than 45,000 monthly visitors, with approximately 40% being return visitors. Based on analytics data and feedback, ODC has become a site that academics, students, donors, and development agencies, journalists, government technocrats, policymakers, businesses, and investors have come to depend on. Opportunities develop in Cambodia with Open Development Cambodia. Thank you.